Every plate feels like a little festival, a celebration of flavor. I didn't come for this, but I can't look away. Bigla ako napansin, buhay ang lugar.
Sir, natay hinalang baka, sir. Natay sinigang, kambing, papaitan. Shout out to Dra. Mukhaan mo, Dra, kambingan. Welcome, Manadago City.
Tawa, kwentuhan, kilos sa lahat ng dako. Young, old, even the servers. Everyone wanted the moment on camera. And the food? Oh, like a festival on a plate, inviting everyone to celebrate.
Sinang name?
Orang mas klaro dari kung diri mo. Ayos. I arrive at Ate Mars Kambingan with little expectations. Pero buhay na buhay ang lugar. Maraming tao. Nag-aalab ang mga plato. Puno ng tawa. I felt like I was crashing a party here or stumbled into a little festival right in the middle of the city. Lahat kumakaway, sumisigaw. Sir, kuhain ni sir. Sir, kuha video ni sir. At ang mga putahe, aba, ang mga kambing, sinigang, papaitan, bulalo, balbakwa, kaldareta, at kung ano-ano pa. Ang dami nito. Alright, everybody. Here's my sinigang and papaitan. Puro ni kambing, ma'am, no? Oh, yeah. Oy, wait. Hindi ko na makalimutan. I'm too excited already. Grabe itong karinderya na to. Yan, sumunod natin yung ano, bago tayo magsalita. Broth. Oh, yeah. Oh. Sarap. Oh, yeah. Mainit pa. Init pa nga. Oh. Lagi lang nangyayari ito. God. Ang lambot. Sarap. Minit pa rin. Now, it's papaitan time. There. Ito. Oh, lalaki yung slice nila, oh. Yung paitan nila, malalaki yung hiwa, eh. Oh. Okay, oh. Wow. Liver, some tripe, tendon, and some other parts of the innards of the kambing, the goat. Maraming sabaw. Buto ng sili, ah. Sarap. Kung ano yung meron dito na wala sa Alecuritan, meron ding mga pagkain ng Alecuritan na wala rito. I think wala silang sinuglaw dito, eh. Kasi wala silang hindi sila nag-grill, eh. No grilling tool or equipment. Wala sila sugba ba? Wala sila kinilaw. The sinigang looks like made of ribs or bones or shanks of the goat. I don't know kung hinalo ba nila dito yung ulo. Ulo ng kambing kasi mostly sinigang ng kambing nilalagay talaga yung ulo ng kambing eh. And sino kayo makakain ng ulo, no? If they only cook one piece of animal, one piece of goat or one goat. Ito yung sinerve sa akin ay looks like ribs of goat. Ngayon ko lang nabasa to. No pork. Wala palang pork. Goat, beef, fish, chicken. Walang pork, so halal, di ba? And when I went to Ate Mar to pay my bill, sabi niya, okay na to sir. Libre ang tanghalian ko. Umalis ako na busog, kontento, masayang masaya. This is why I love exploring food in Davao. Every plate tells a story. Every smile has a flavor. Ate Mar's Kambingan, thank you for an unforgettable Sunday lunch.